Now, bringing 2023 to a resounding close, the Wall Street saga culminates on a triumphant note. With an upward surge in the final stretch of the year, the markets rallied, painting a portrait of optimism and vigor as the year draws its curtain. Investors witnessed a crescendo of positive momentum, fostering anticipation and hopes for the forthcoming financial landscape. Take a look.
U.S. stocks extended their rally on Tuesday, kicking off the final week of 2023 with expectations that the Federal Reserve will begin cutting interest rates as soon as March. All three major U.S. stock indices rose in low-volume trading. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 both climbed about 0.4%, and the nasdaq gained 0.5 point. All three are on track for monthly, quarterly, and annual gains and seem buoyed after making it through 2023 without a major contraction. Adam Coons is the chief portfolio manager at Winthrop Capital Management.
Equity markets today are really just kind of coming off of this Christmas lull where we did have a Santa Claus rally leading up into the Christmas holiday. Fed policy has kind of become more known, and so it's more stable. So I think we'll just end the year fairly quietly, on low volatility. So it may tick up a little bit higher just on low volume, but we don't see any real big moves coming up through the rest of the week.
The S&P 500 is on track to post its biggest quarterly gain in 3 years and is within 1% of its all-time closing high reached in January 2022. Energy shares on Tuesday enjoyed the heftiest percentage gain, boosted by surging crude prices as Middle East strife ratcheted up supply concerns, while optimism over Fed rate cuts fueled demand hopes. Gracell Biotechnologies surged more than 60% after AstraZeneca said it will buy the China-based firm for up to $1.2 billion. And Intel Corp advanced 5.2% following the Israeli government's agreement to endow a $3.2 billion grant for a $25 billion plant the chipmaker plans to build in southern Israel.